Hey guys, what's up, what's up? We are on our way to Montego Bay, the beautiful city of Montego Bay. Today is a special day. Today is Mr. Myers' birthday. Woo-hoo! And we are heading down. Let me just show you. Alright, so the rain, guys, the rain is pouring. On our journey going down, the rain is pouring, but nevertheless we has to go down. Alrighty, so let me show you Mr. Myers right here. So I don't have any pretty blue sky to show to you guys. So after the live this morning, you know, Mr. Myers run out and thing and come back, and then we just leave. Alrighty, I don't have any blue sky to show you because it is raining cats and dogs. Hoping that when we reach Montego Bay there will be no rain, but let's see. So stick and stay if you want to see where we are going, and you don't know your girl, I'm gonna give you a view of the place and everything, you know. So here's Mr. Myers over here. Here's my baby. Woo-hoo! Cause I'm your baby tonight.
I'm your baby for life.
Ah, wow. The birthday, man. How you feeling?
Good. So far this man get up, he's gonna get a whopping, wonderful, amazing breakfast. Cook with love, belly full. Go down in a place and go see what I want.
Alright.
That's what I want.
Yeah, man. So the rain is pouring, so yeah, man, stick and stay. And let us take you through our journey. I don't know me always go on no clips, cause I don't know when Mr. Myers' birthday, I don't know it no normal people. Yes, alrighty. So guys, this is what I love to see, the beautiful sun and the beautiful sky. It was raining cats and dogs. We are still on our way, but at this part there is no rain. God, nobody can tell me say God no day, no. Rain are falling in some part of the island, and then when you come cross over to the other part of the island, there is no rain. How could that be? Mighty Jesus. So, oh, I don't see the sign. I'm looking for the sign. Beautiful sunset. Wow. Wow, you chickled my hand a while ago. I don't know if that's the word, but trust me, my hand get a whiplash, people. And these are the big tour bus.
We are in Mommy Bay. Hello, Lisa Riley.
Oh, Lisa Riley. Oh, Mommy Bay. Yeah, that's where she come from. Oh, yes. The beautiful Mommy Bay. Big up yourself, Lisa Riley. We in your town. We in your country. I pass the sign. I need to take the sign. The sun is beautiful. This is what I want to see. Hey, little while we come, a pure rain, people. Raining cats and dogs.
What?
Watch your son, man. Ooh, ooh. Mighty Jesus.
Beautiful.
So this is our beautiful island, Jamaica. What's those straw basket? This is our beautiful island, Jamaica, and this is where the sun went. Welcome to the Sunshine City. Welcome one and all. Sun turn up. This me a talk about. Hey, Jamaica, Islanda. And me say, Lord, for me Islanda. Boom, boom. Ba-dum, boom. Jamaica, beautiful, man. This is. Wow. Left him say.
Alright. I left for the speed bump at the receptions here.
Okay.
Plant.
So work is going on apparently. The rain just starts June.
You should have get the person name.
Who I made the reservation with. They probably spell my name wrong, you know. That's why I say I prefer to use your name.
Next time you do them thing, you get.
I can have it.
Can? You have used toilet? You don't have to use toilet now. Come on, try it.
Oh, alright, dear.
No, when it's good and great, it's more.
You have a pen nearby? Yes. Alright, please put the pen. Thank you. Yeah. It's good?
No, it's fine.
And what I noticed, guys, the place is clean. I can say the place is clean. There's coconut tree. I don't know if I can get one of those jelly to drink. But don't go with me and jelly, right? Yes, a tree fully loaded with jelly. All Alrighty, and the place is busy as usual. There's a lot of suitcase, a lot of person checking in today because we're having a holiday on the 23rd of May, which is Labor Day. So I guess that's why the place is so busy, super busy. I can tell you there's a lot of suitcase, there's a lot of bags. The checking in line was long, but thanks be to God we did not have to wait long to check in. Thanks to Sharika. Yeah. Alright, so we are going up to our room, guys. So this is the lobby. The line is long as usual. Thanks be to God we get through. So that Mr. Myers will lead the way, as if he knows where, but make the right. I don't know. No. I laugh at you because you know why? So people, this is a no-no already. We are on our own trying to find our room. On our own trying to find our room. Normally, you know, the bellman would normally take you to your room. So the place is clean though. That's what I noticed. A breath of fresh air. Oh.
52, 53, so most the same.
250. So here you go. There you go. So room tour.
Don't worry.
So guys, we finally get to go inside of the room. Guess what? We are hungry. So we visit the coffee shop and let's show you what they have at the coffee shop here. So this is the coffee shop. And you know, ice cream on top of ice cream. Oh mighty God. A lot of different ice cream, right? Hey guys, get ready with us as we get ready to go and have some dinner on Mr. Myers' special day. So today is Thursday, May the 22nd, which is Mr. Myers' birthday. Right, sir?
Yeah, my mother tell me.
Okay.
Normally my mother don't tell lie.
Ah. You need help?
No. You need it?
No?
Thanks, anyway. I feel like I feel coffee though. I don't know why.
Wonder what to eat. I guess you're too hungry.
Aye.
So you will get to eat up your food. All that food. Food. So you don't know that day yeah? Dedicated to Mr. Myers.
The real gene of the place, you know?
Yeah. But what is a king without a queen?
Daddy.
What is a king without a queen, people?
Don't want me to tell you.
Okay.
You see people?
A real king
You see?
have a queen.
See that?
Vaseline. I think I kind of rubber shoes though.
Yeah, you come on.
I guess me like it. I guess me like it.
Still, I guess you don't know.
Almighty Jesus, me have to my hand. Mighty God, why do I have to tie up my hand?
I mean, say, ready, you know, people. Ready, Miss P?
Aye, sir. I wanted to open the slippers on my foot because I'm not wearing a heel, I'm wearing a slippers. I got to know when to. I have to underwear, man.
Say, I got to know where I stand with you.
So here's a penny for you. What?
Thought.
All right.
A medal for your kiss.
So, you're mine.
Darling, you gotta tell me if you love me.
Darling, if I tell you that I love you, it should be so God easily. This one you need to put on.
You know, you can.
I know, but this one need to button. No, not this. This one. I just button this. So you want to open this?
I'm going to find that glass until.
Alright, can you put my shoes? Can you my slippers for me, please? Oh, handsome so. Woo!
Talk to me now.
Oh, handsome so.
Miss Polly worry when we go up on the road, you know.
That's why you're not go up on the road without me right about now.
Who says so?
Me say so. Can you? I need you to hold her.
You know what's going on this? You don't know it's actually going to left different from right.
Yeah, must do something. Make me not know it.
Is that right?
You pull it no, this one. Pull this. No, don't pull it. Yeah, it alright. Put on the next one. I'm going to show you what I was showing you to use.
The buckle.
Not the bottle, not the bottle. This, you don't care like that. Up. So it tighten. Care up. Tighten it. Hot boy, I don't know what that's on here.
It says, lamb lip on your I first we have to slip on one foot here. So, you know, we have to go hot boy. Count your blessing and go in one by one. That's what special it is. Okay. You can't do best and leave him today. Yeah, leave it and do it. Right. Happy birthday to me.
What is that?
It is actually very. I like the shape.
What is there? Did you enjoy yourself?
Yeah.
Tummy full? All right. Are you? Yes. Michael Jackson show. You did enjoy yourself. You're making some of those moves, eh?
Yeah.
Yep. So that is it. That is it. Mr. Myers has been enjoying his birthday. And him know me have him back at all time. Him knows him not to worry, you know. Him know him not to worry.
That's it.
Alright, so you know the rest is history, right?
That's it.
Yeah. So we are home. Home alone. So the rest is history. Bye bye. I was waiting on you, you know.
Oh no, they don't see about paper plate. We've been drinking different champagne.
Beautiful, beautiful Jamaica. Waiting until you finish. So these are the what?
Fish fry Fridays. So we have jerk fish, escovitch fish, steamed fish, and we cook it in any style you need.
Oh. Listen, honestly, I never know the way me name them here. I go see. So, but I really love to know.
I fell in a trance for a split second and I see you leave the house. And when you walk,
Who's doing the jerk fish?
Here,
a man.
thank
empty
you.
tripping on your back.
Yeah.
Who's doing the steam?
And so I said to him,
Fry.
no, one
Brown stew.
Brown.
yeah, that's right, man. Steve. And one for me as well. And the brown stew is this gentleman.
Oh, this looks lovely.
Yeah. But you would have want more okra.
Okay.
She love a lot of okra like me, you know. Mighty God, when me a cook amount of okra, me put palm my fish.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
So not a store if I'll be able to eat all of it.
Wow.
Oh wow. This is nice.
So he's going back, I guess, for.
No, man. It's not that, man. Blessing over that. Well done.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Can I
you.
get a juice from the bar? Can I
Yes,
get a
please.
juice?
Got lemonade?
Yes.
Actually, I'll have a bottle, 2 bottles of water, please.
Room temperature or cold?
It doesn't matter.
Room temperature, water, bottle.
Can I have a pineapple juice, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
Alright.
So,
Hold on 1 second.
Pocket my face. Oh, alright. Which way? Yes, yes. Wow.
that has been good, brother. That's why I don't understand why some say there is no God.
Something is wrong with them. This is like a snap of fish. So guys, get ready with us as Myers is still celebrating his birthday. I know wife go all out just to let him have a wonderful time. I mean, for both of us to have a wonderful time. Yeah. So he has been enjoying himself so far though. So get ready with us. We are going to the movie and then dinner.
Look like a Chinese. Okay.
Ching chang chang ching.
That you say.
I think you need to put the chair out more so I can see your foot on the shoes. Let me just tilt it a bit. Alright, that's good.
One thing never care.
What?
Things put on my shoes.
You have that shoe on that boat in your house and then you can't find that.
They're right on the entrance table. So anybody move it?
But you're not supposed to keep there. And you leave your watch in the car and you would have dead to go back for it.
I might be in it, but I go for me.
Hmm?
When I hear them do anything for you, I might be in it.
You didn't ask me to.
I'm not going to say no for you. You treat me.
So wait there. Anyways, let me not spoil the moment and talk in the video, yeah? Some people can't satisfy and some people don't appreciate. So let me not spoil this moment. But beside all of that has been said and done, you don't know, say every king need a what? A queen beside them.
Yes, sir. Movie time. I might look like young boy. And he said, I got hear you John Pop, you know?
So can I put on my slippers, please?
Oh, yeah, talking of actions, go down over. That might shoes up in here. Yeah, what's up around? I show you especially.
We are special. Remember, God didn't take us from the dirt. He take us from your ribs, so we are special. The next one, pull that side, pull the other side. So we are ready to go. Wish us well.
Later.
Bye bye.
We'd like a complimentary continental breakfast.
I don't even think about skipping on them baby muffins.
We don't have any baby muffins.
So you're laughing like that.
Did I go on with something?
Yeah, the one you never have been one.
Salad for the table. We have tomato, mozzarella cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette.
Thank you.
Go. You take it side.
Thank you. Space, right?
Thank you guys. Enjoy.
All right. I like it. Myers is eating Italian food. Italian. You like it? The breeze, I blow the phone out of my hand. That's how strong the breeze is. Anyways, I'm going to dive into my one now, yeah? Well.
Can I take the Capri salad for you?
Yes. Thank you. Wow, so this is what I want.
Also have a shrimp diavolo for you, sir.
What you order?
Shrimp diavolo. All right. Enjoy.
Alrighty, thank you. You when I like noodle. I'm surprised. It's full. Style that. Salmon.
Tomorrow you alone are coming to here?
Why?
Because them don't serve chicken over here. Them don't serve chicken over here. Them don't serve oxtail over here. They don't serve goat over here. That's what I